The best way to make money on Facebook depends on your skills, audience, and goals. Here are 7 top ways to earn on Facebook in 2025 with both short-term and long-term potential. 1. Facebook Reels monetization. Best for short video creators requirements. At least 5,000 followers, 60,000 minutes viewed in last 60 days. Earnings. Facebook pays for Reels plays plus ad revenue sharing. Tips to succeed. Use trending audio, short captions, viral hooks, and post consistently. 2. In-stream ads, ad breaks. Best for pages with long-form video content. Requirements, 10,000 plus followers. 600,000 total minutes watched in the last 60 days. 5 plus active videos on the page revenue. Ads shown during your videos, like YouTube monetization. 3. Facebook stars, fan donations. Best for live streamers or engaging video creators. Viewers buy stars and send them to you during live videos or reels. Facebook pays you 1 cent per star. 4. Facebook subscriptions, fan subscriptions. Best for creators with loyal fan bases. Fans pay monthly, e.g., $4.99 per month, for exclusive content. You must apply and meet eligibility, usually requires 10,000 plus followers and high engagement. 5. Affiliate marketing. Best for pages or profiles that promote products, share affiliate links to Amazon, Flipkart, or other networks. Earn a commission when followers click and buy. Tip: use Facebook groups or pages to promote niche products, e.g., gadgets, fashion, fitness. Checkmark 6. Selling your own products or services best for business owners or skilled individuals. Sell directly through Facebook Marketplace shops or your page. Great for dropshipping, digital products, courses, ebooks, or handmade items. 7. Sponsored posts, brand deals. Best for influencers and pages with good reach. Partner with brands to promote their products. Paid per post or campaign. Rates depend on reach and engagement. Tips for success. Post regularly, 3 to 5 times a week. Use original content, voice, face, value. Engage with comments and messages. Learn basic video editing and SEO. Use tools like Meta Business Suite to track performance. Would you like help choosing the best method for your Facebook page or audience? I can suggest based on what you post or plan to create. And SEO. Use tools like Meta Business Suite to track performance. Would you like help choosing the best method for your Facebook page or audience? I can suggest based on what you post or plan to create.